Okay, ganda. Oh, magandang gabi. Wait lang. And come back. Magandang gabi. Good evening. Thank you so much. Hi, 1 million in my house. Thank you. Thank you so much. Kumusta? Tamsak naman. Porok dos. Thank you sa 3 million in the house. Salamat. Magandang gabi. Good evening. Magandang gabsok na. Thank you. Kumusta? Maribokan. Gupitin lahat kami. Salamat sa 2 million. Hi, 2 million in my house. Thank you so much. Mano, guns naman. Thank you. Kumusta? Kumusta ang person? Okay. Hi, sa 5 million in my house. Thank you so much. Bicol, from Bicol, Bicolana. Thank you. Nadasan kayo comment. Nobody does things first. Hi, nobody. Kumusta ka? Okay naman po. Nobody does things. Gubulag ka din. Nag-vlog ka din po. Salamat sa pagpunta. Thank you so much, Nobody Dusting. Salamat po. Filipino ako din. Salamat. Thank you. Nag-vlog ka din. Salamat po. Thank you so much. So, Nobody Dustings. Bakit Nobody Dustings? Hindi ako ay young lang. Ah, okay. Bata ka pa. Daming pumupunta dito sa akin, bata pa. Mukha yata akong bata. Yan doon, sa sulod. Mukha yata akong bata. Pang bata yata yung vlog. Come here na. Also nice bahay. Also nice bahay. Salamat. Thank you. Also nice bahay. Salamat po. Ano pangalan mo? Taga saan ka? Also nice. Also nice bahay. Paalam na, mag-scroll na ako. Manila. At ang name ko ay Andre. Hi. Salamat, Andre. Thank you. Thank you, Andre. Johnny Dakayan. Membisi, you want saves you a squid. Squid? Hindi ko alam. Ay, Johnny Dakanay. I don't know what to say. You want saves you a squid. What a squid? Ikaw ka na ba? Ayoko. Ikaw. Ay, mo na yung ikaw. Bantayan mo. Bantayan mo.
Umaya ka.
Bantayan mo kayo ka naman slow.
Nakarinsal. Sila! Ah, ba't ka na? Ba't ka?
Thank you so much. MBT one saves you a squid. Squid? What squid? Johnny Dakayan. What do you mean squid? What do you mean squid? What do you mean?
Yay!
What do you mean squid? Porok das. Wait lang. Bye. Thank you. Alam na. Thank you for watching the 2 million. Thank you for the 2 million in my... Anong sinabi niya? The squid. Ang mga bata pa. For sure. Ang dami na. Thank you. Ayaw mo na, tayang, kaya nagkaano. Ayaw mo na, tiyangan. Wait. Thank you. Wait. Thank Thank you sa 4 million in my house. Sa Crocdos. Taga saan sila? Mga silent viewer, taga saan? Taga saan po? Babang kami. Sunday. Thank you sa nanonood sa 4 million. Thank you so much. Sa 2 million. Salamat sa nag-stay. Thank you. Maribokan, didi. Maribokan. Okay, yeah. Charot. Thank you sa 5 million. Thank you so much po. Sa, from Bicol. Bicol Nana. Thank you sa, sa 5 million silent viewers. Salamat. Taga saan po sila? Thank you po. The two thing what do you mean? Thank you so much sa 3 million. 3 million. Thank you. Thank you sa nanonood. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Sa 3 million in my house. Sa 3 million sa munti kong bahay. Salamat. Thank you. Salamat po. Hala. Silent viewer. Thank you. Alright. Salamat. Thank you. From Bicol. Bicolana. Bicol. Pilipinas. Filipino, hiparik, pakinggan mo ko. Ako ang tunay na Pilipino. Tama, thank you. Salamat. Chimalian. My Chimalian. The beautiful Brock The Brock Das. Ever you're in my arms again. This time I love you, my friend. Ever you're in my arms again. This time Salamat. Singkit sa wangin. Hala na. Ganun. I know. I thought. Naribukan ko. Ay! Thank you. My silent viewer. Ever you're in my arms again. This time it's better. Thank you so much. Sa dumadaan. Patamsak naman. Patamsak po. The cameraman. The cameraman. Thank you so much. Sa 2 million in my house. Salamat. Patamsak naman. Patamsak, please. Patamsak. Ay, salamat. Salamat sa thumbs. Thank you. Thank you, Greg. Daming pupunta. Wala naman nag-thumbs up. Thank you so much. Thank you, Greg. Thank you for the thumbs up. Kung hindi ka, if you're not going to my live, no one thumbs up. No one give the thumbs up. Thank you so much. Salamat. Thank you. Thank you so much. Hello, my tiny maganda friend. Hello, my tiny. Tiny talaga. Hello, tiny maganda friend. Okay, I'm still tiny. Still maganda. Feel young, you know. Feel young and beautiful. Remarkable, no? Remarkable, tiny. Tiny Maganda. Tiny Maganda Cheryl. Guapa. Guapa gid, uy. Thank you so much, Greg. Salamat, Greg. Tawa, uy. Tawa, uy. Thank you so much, Greg. Guapa Cheryl. Guapa Cheryl. Thank you, Greg. Salamat. What are you doing now? You have work today? Sorry, I'm late. I was on my exercise channel. The fitness channel. The fitness. Sorry, I'm late. I was on the exercise channel. Whether you're in your friend. Soon I will have an abs. Abs. Thank you, Greg. Salamat. Thank you so much. What are you doing today now, Greg? Do you have work? I love ads. Soon I will have an ad. Soon. Abs. Abs. Baka abs. Abs, not ads. The ads. Abs. Maybe abs. Abs. The abs. Thank you. Thank you sa Thank you so much thank you for the thumbs up. You only give the thumbs up. Guys, if you visit my live, can you please thumbs up? Thumbs up, please. Thank you. Where is the other friend? The bestie, maybe. You would look great. Yes, if I have an abs, I will look great. I hope I will look great. Thank you for the 2 million in my house. Salamat. You look great now. Wait. Just now? Just now? Great. Thank you so much, Greg. Yes, just now. Ang kulit. I make tampo na. I feel tampo na. I feel tampo. I will get tampo na. Don't be tampo, I'm just kidding. Don't be tampo. Don't be dumb po. I'm just kidding. If ever you're in my arms again, much better. Number 1. Rule number 1. Don't get your maganda tampo. The rule number 1. Don't get your maganda tampo. Oh, no. For me, rule number 1. Don't lie. Rule number 1. Don't lie. Never lie. Okay, I won. I won. Because if you like, it goes to my number 1. Because if you like, it goes to my role number 1. Role number 1, never lie. And what is the role number 2? Rule number 2. Don't cheat. Yadi ho. Yadi. Roll number 2. Keep some chocolate.
Ha?
Kada.
Nagano?
Artisan portion.
Hoy! Nagana! Ay, mo na. Iwanin ko man niya pa na yung sabi ni Dante na charger.
Roll number 2. Keep some
Cellphone. Ay.
some. Maybe you can give me some chocolate. Ay, you need to bring pasalubong. Or maybe you send chocolate. Send the chocolate maybe. If you can. If you can. To keep maganda happy. To keep maganda. To keep maganda happy. Happy lang. Happy life. Keep calm. Charot. Greg. Salamat, Greg. Thank you so much. You're in my arms. Nasa dali niya? Ha? This time much better. Ganda ha. How was your day today? Maganda, Cheryl. Today is okay day. It's fine day. It's okay and it's fine day. Thank you for the 2 million people in the house. Ngayon, Maribocon outside ng bawat I love you, smile, Cheryl. Thank you, Greg. Salamat, Greg. Thank you for the 3 million in the house. Salamat. Salamat sa mga matambay, sa nagbisita, sa nanood. Thank you. God bless you. Maribocon outside. Here up. Karebok. Tagiman ako sa'yo. Sa'yo mo yun eh. Tagiman. Okay lang. Salamat.
Papa.
How's favorite color? How's my favorite color? Huh? How's my favorite color? Favorite color? What is your favorite color? That's my favorite color, blue. Ah, wow. My favorite color is sky blue. Mine's toy. Mine's toy. No, bawal ka nito. Bawal. Bawal ka sa di, bawal. No, bawal. Bawal. No. What are you doing, Greg? How are you feeling? How are your parents feeling? My feeling for what? My parents feeling? My parents feeling? How are your parents feeling? What do you mean? What do you mean, Greg? What do parents feeling? My parents feeling far for me. How they are doing? They're watching TV now. As always. Ayun. Jadi si Tampoy. Nagulit. Sorry lang niya din. Just chicken. Ah, okay. My parents. Okay. Okay. All right. That great Cheryl. Salamat.
Madam, ayun pagkahe.
What are you eating, Mani? No, crackers. The chips, chicken chips. Hindi ko po. Thank you sa 3 million. Salamat for the 3 million in my little home. Thank you, Greg. Salamat. What are you doing now? You eat your breakfast or what time? Or snack? What your food, Greg? Pizza, bread, rice, oatmeal.
Okay. Ay,
I'm getting dressed. Okay. Getting dressed, prepared to going to work. I will probably eat out today for lunch. Jollibee, McDo, Jollibee, the McDo. Forever you're in my arms, the sky doesn't get much better. Forever you're in my arms. No Jollibee or McDonald's. Now it's for me. Why? Say mo? No Jollibees or McDonald's for me. And what? Starbucks. Max Restaurant. Kenny Rogers Restaurant. What else? Magulat ako. We have 100 to choice. We have 100 to choose from. What else? What else? 100. Bisaya ako. Uy. Taco Bell. Taco Bell. The Taco Bell. The taco, Taco Bell. Dodong. Dodong. Okay, the Dodong. The Taco Bell. Where's Dodong? Yeah. In my arms again. This time much better. Where's Dodong? Dodong. Taco Bell is a Mexican restaurant. Okay. Sana all. Here, the popular for me here are Max Restaurant, Jollibee, McDo, KFC, Chowking, Juris Grill, Baker, Golden Ducks, and Dogs, Ken Rogers. Let's sever your in my arms again. This I'm going to the restaurants you like. Where you going? Going to the restaurants you like. You're going. No. In Bicol, on Bicol, masarap food here. When you go here, everywhere. It's really hard to speak English. I'm bobo in English talaga. I don't speak, well, English. I'm not speak English well. Thank you sa nanonood. Salamat. Salamat, man. Thank you. I'm here to teach you. Okay, thank you, Greg. Salamat, Greg. Thank you so much. I'm down. Wait lang. Just wait a minute.
Shell! Para na.
Thank you for the happiness. Thank you. Thank you for the tomorrow. For the house. Let me see your outfit, Cheryl. Oh, you look na. You already look na. Outfit check. Outfit check. Let me see. Outfit check. Outfit check. Charot. Ever you're in my arms. si Ate Urso. Thank you.
Hotdog. Boy, yun ako si Kiyo ka. Kailan ang hotdog? Ano nga ba yung Ano hotdog?
Kinanak daw.
Jumbo.
Ano, piran ho, 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 ho.
Kulay brown.
Natog, mas kinano natog. Kagayin.
Kulay brown.
May kulay brown na hotdog?
Yung mga chicken.
Ah?
Dito yung chicken. Ito mga pork. Yung beso naman natin na baka sa to. Siguro nga, di nag-history pa yung sabi. Ano bahala mo siya?
Ano chicken and flavor? Chicken flavor na hotdog. Oh, agapot ka kumayon.
Pera.
Ulo. Kain sila. Sa ano, ang saan mo? Pagka sa garden natin? Oo, mau na gad. Mau yan eh. Saan yun naman na ano? Saan yun dyan? Ay, saan Agustin? Saan yun naman na ano? Saan yun? Thank you, Greg. Sa sabi ko nga, bago ka magturo-gurugag magdukog ka, lakban. Ano ko, lukban. Ano sa umili sa akin? Hindi, dapat may pangaplas yun lang, maharap mo lang. Para, kahit ka, pero ka kasi pag nag-iisip na makulong ang ulo ko, inapasang guntulan, mamati ang harang.
Balik naman mo.
Pero maya di anak kami.
Jadi, pag-inis ka.
Okay. Jadi ano paraan?
Jadi,
Ay, jadi yun, naimod sa danis ka na. Ano? Wait. Yeah, di connected man. Hindi ka lang. Ay, passwording. Di ba para pag ano ha? Para pag aram mo na. Pinduton mo an. Jadi ho. Pinduton mo ini siya ho. Jadi. Tapos siya din share. Tapos, passwording. Tapos didi ho. Jadi ho, maano kaya di lang. Tapos. Thank you, Greg.
ano yun? Ano?
Ano sa akin tayo? Nadi-disconnect. Ano disconnect? Ay, nagbata ko! Ate si Vivi! Papadadasin ni Tutoy! Damay-damay na. Let's dance. Let's dance. Let's dance. Dance. Let's dance. Dance. You're in my arms. Ano ba? Going to ano? You're already 8 na. Wait lang. Wait lang. Ano, I will come back. I will make a live later. Bye-bye. Wait lang. I will make live later. Bye. For emergency matter. Bye-bye. Bye.